Assalamualaikum students. In the last video we learned that how to subtract 6 or 7 digit numbers. Now we solve the problem set 11. We solve the problem set 11. Here it gives two numbers. Here it gives two numbers. We have to find the difference. So the first question is 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. So, how can we subtract? First we arrange the numbers in the table. First we arrange the numbers in the table. So, first which number we arrange? First we arrange the bigger number. And which number is a bigger number? 8,57,513. So, first we arrange the 8,57,513. So, we start from the unit place. 3 comes in the unit place, 1 tens place, 500 place, 7,000 place, 5 10,000 place, 8 in the lakh place. Now, we arrange the second number 4,82,256. So, 6 comes in the unit place, 5 tens place, 200 place, 2000 place, 8 10,000 place, 4 in the lakh place. Now, here we put the minus sign. Why? Because we have to subtract the given numbers. Now, we have to subtract. So, from which place we subtract? In the unit place. Which place? In the unit place. So, first we have to subtract 6 unit from the 3 unit. Can we subtract 6 from 3? No, because 3 is smaller than 6. So, how can we subtract? We borrow 1 from the tens place. We borrow ones from the tens place. So, we have 1 in the tens place. These ones become a 0 and in the unit place 3 become a 13. Now we can subtract 6 unit from 13 unit. So 13 minus 6, 7 in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 5 tens from the 0 tens. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No, because 0 is smaller than 5. So we borrow 1 from the 100 place. We borrow 1 from the 100 place. In the 100 place, we have 5. So, 5 become a 4 and 0 in the tens place become a 10. Now, we can subtract 5 from 10. So, 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 in the tens place. Now, we have to subtract 200 from 400. So, 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2 in the 100 place. Now we have to subtract 2000 from 7000. 7 minus 2, 5 in the 1000 place. Now we have to subtract 8 10,000 from 5 10,000. So can we subtract 8 from 5? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 8. So how can we subtract? We borrow 1 from the lakh place. We borrow 1 from the lakh place. So, in the lakh place we have 8. We have 8. So, 8 become a 7 and 5 in the 10,000 place become a 15. So, can we subtract 8 from 15? Yes. So, 15 minus 8, 7 in the 10,000 place. Now, we subtract 4 lakh from 7 lakh. So, 7 minus 4, 3 in the lakh place. So, we get the answer 3,75,257. We get the answer 3,75,257. Now, we see the next question. Next question is 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. So, here we have to subtract 10,07,423 from 13,17,519. So, first which number we arrange? we arrange 13,17,519. So arrange this number. 9 is come in the unit place, 1 tens place, 500 place, 7,000 place, 1 10,000 place, 3 lakh place, 1 in the 10 lakh place. Now we arrange the second number. 3 is the unit place, 2 tens place, 400 place, 7,000 place, 0 10,000 place, 0 in the lakh place, 1 in the 10 lakh place. Now here we put the sign of minus. Now we start from the unit place. So we have to subtract 3 unit from 9 unit. Can we subtract 3 from 9? Yes. So 9 minus 3, 6 in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 2 tens from 1 tens. Can we subtract 2 from 1? No, because 1 is smaller than 2. So we borrow 1 from the 100 place, and in the 100 place we have 5. So 5 become a 4, and 1 in the tens place become a 11. So 11 minus 2, 9. 11 minus 2, 9 in the tens place. Now we have to subtract 400 from 400. So 4 minus 4, 0 in the 100 place. Now we subtract 10,000 from 7,000 from 7,000. So 7 minus 7, 0 in the 1000 place. Now we subtract 0 10,000 from 1 10,000. So 1 minus 0, 0 in the 10,000. Now we subtract 0 lakh from 3 lakh. So 3 minus 0, 3 in the lakh place. Now we subtract 1 10 lakh from 1 10 lakh. 1 minus 1, 0. So we get the answer 3,10,096. We get the answer 3,10,096. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 is 68,34,501 minus 23,57,823. So here which number we have to subtract? 23,57,823. So first which number we arrange? We arrange 68,34,501. So arrange this number. 1 is at unit place, 0 tens place, 500 place, 4,000 place, 3 10,000 place, 8 lakh place, 6 10 lakh place. Now we arrange the second number. Second number is 23,57,823. 3 is unit place, 2 tens place, 800 place, 7,000 place, 5 10,000 place, 3 lakh place, and 2 in the 10 lakh place. Here we put the minus sign. Now we have to subtract 3 unit from 1 unit. Can we subtract 3 from 1? No. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 3. So we borrow 1 from the next place. But in the tens place there is 0. So we borrow 1 from the 100 place. In the 100 place we have 5. In the 100 place we have 5. So 5 become a 4, and in the tens place 0 become a 10. Then these tens give 1 to the unit and it become a 9. And in the unit place 1 become a 11. 1 become a 11. Can we subtract 3 from 11? Yes. So 11 minus 3, 8 in the unit place. Now we subtract 2 tens from 9 tens. 9 minus 2, 7 in the tens place. Now we have to subtract 800 from 400. Can we subtract 8 from 4? No. 4 is smaller than 8. So we borrow 1 from the 1000 place. We borrow 1 from the 1000 place. In the 1000 place we have 4. So 4 become a 3, and 4 in the 100 place become a 14. Now we subtract 8 from 14. 14 minus 8, 6 in the hundred place. Now we have to subtract 7,000 from 3,000. Can we subtract 7 from 3? No. So we borrow 1 from the 10,000 place. We borrow 1 from the 10,000 place, and in the 10,000 place we have 3. So 3 become a 2, and in the 1000 place 3 become 13. So 13 minus 7, 6 in the 1000 place. Now we cannot subtract 5 10,000 from 2 10,000. So we borrow 1 from the lakh place, and in the lakh place we have 8. So 8 become a 7 in the lakh place, and in the 10,000 place 2 become a 12. Now we can subtract 5 from 12. So 12 minus 5, 7 in the 10,000 place. Now we subtract 3 lakh from 7 lakh. 7 minus 3, 4 in the lakh place. Now we subtract 2 10 lakh from 6 10 lakh. 6 minus 2, 4 in the 10 lakh place. So we get the answer 44 lakh 76,676. We get the answer 44 lakh 76,676. Now remaining question you have to solve by yourself. This is your homework. Remember, you have to copy all the question of problem sets and homework in your register. We will meet in the next video with the another method of subtraction.